Alright, this is a parody I did of Achy Breaky Heart. I don't know if I ever did this one or not, but we're going to do it now. And I'm probably going to just totally trash this because I haven't played this in a while. If my singing makes you cry, you can scroll on by. It won't bother me either way. You can leave a bad comment on the internet. I don't care what they have to say. But don't tell my guitar, my beautiful guitar, its owner can't play worth a damn. If you tell my guitar, my beautiful guitar, it might short out and blow my amp. Alright, that went better than I thought it would.